This is how to add and edit text on YouTube Shorts. First, use this text feature to add your text. With your text, change the size, font, alignment, color, and background color. And if you want some voice or speech for your text, use this feature.
Hi.
And to make your text appear at a certain time on your short, use this timing feature and adjust this bar. And you can also use this edit button or swipe up to perform the same process, then swipe down to go back. This add voice button to also add speech to your text.
Hi.
And this edit button to go back to this editing screen. And with your fingers, you can also change the size of your text, move, rotate, or even drag it to this delete button. Moreover, if your short has a clear spoken audio, you can automatically generate captions with this feature and edit them. And after all these, save and tap Next to go on with uploading. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.